friends, welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare Besan Laddu at home with pure ghee. Take half cup of sugar, transfer it into a mixer and grind it into a powder. Oops, I forgot to add some elaichi, so I'm adding some elaichi and grinding it into a powder again. Set this sugar powder aside. In a pan, add few drops of ghee, chopped badam, melon seeds, raisins, and dry roast them until it is golden brown. You can even replace this badam with cashew. Set the roasted nuts aside for later use. 1 cup of besan flour. Dry roast the besan flour until raw smell goes off. Gradually add ghee and roast them. Add some more ghee. Keep adding the ghee until it becomes into a semi-thick paste. Once it is done, transfer it into a bowl and cool down completely. Now just start adding the sugar gradually and keep mixing it. You can add the sugar as per your taste. Don't add the sugar when the besan flour is hot because sugar may melt and it may not get the consistency. Now just add the roasted nuts. And make it into a laddu. Instead of buying the sweets from the market, you can make your own special sweet for your loved one at home. Garnish the besan laddu with badam. Friends, always remember, homemade fresh sweets are best than the market bought sweets. It just melts in your mouth. Try this wonderful recipe and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.